In these sessions, we will take care of V-belt operated machines. V-belt operated machines. Where the machines run with the help of V-belt, then we take care about the tension of the V-belt. Tension of V-belt. Tension should be sag within 2 inch. That means the tension always should be in slack. That means sag is within 2 inch, and if it is too tight, then motor will take overcurrent and overload, and the power will lose and the energy cost will be more and motor may burn. So V-belt system always is odd number, that is 3, 7, 9. This is the number of belt, 9 number of belt we use. So proper size of V-belt, that means according to group, the V-belt will be selected. V-belt will be select A, B, C, D will be selected. A, B, C, D, E in this way. A means small group, small size group, and increasing in this way. E means large group. When we will change the belt in V-belt, try to change all the V-belt at a time. Otherwise, one will be slack and other will be tight. So try to change all V-belts by a new one. No mix up. And tension accordingly with the sag of 2 inch. Then V-belt operate, and we can proper way, and the machine will operate, and the motor will not take overload and no maximum current, so loss of energy will be less or loss of will be minimum. Another system, that friction loss in the machine, in the motor. Friction loss can be reduced by using good quality bearing. What do you mean by good quality bearing? Good quality bearings, that means bearing will be in good company, manufactured by good company or reputed company, and always this bearing will be lubricated by grease and oil as per recommended. Then we can reduce friction loss. We can reduce friction loss. That means loss of energy will be reduced, which will save the cost of energy as a whole. So friction loss, considering the V-belt's proper size, friction loss by considering the good bearing and greasing and oil as per recommended, and that means lubricant of the bearings. Now we can save the energy, which is easily adopted in our house, in office building, in education institute, in street light. We can take care of this, and we can reduce the energy. Energy can be reduced. Energy consumption of energy, that means energy consumptions can be controlled by simple method. Which is simple method? Say, put off the lamp, fan AC and other electrical household other electrical household appliances. When as per need we will run all these equipments as per need we will run, otherwise switch off. Switch off. That means unnecessary, do not run any electrical appliances in the house, in office building, in street light. How you control the street light? By using solar switch. We can control street light lighting by solar switch, by using of solar switch. What is solar switch? In daytime, sunlight will be there, so no need of street light. That means when ray is available, then street light automatically off. In cloudy weather, the sunlight is minimum, so street light will be on automatically. And night time, when light is not available, the street light will be automatically on. So on and off control by solar switch, we can save the energy, unnecessary or misusing of energy. So in total system, if we follow, then we can to save the energy or misusing of energy can be adopted. One thing more, that when we will fit can be avoided, misuse of energy can be avoided by using all the above systems. Now in AC, where you are using AC machines, in that case we will design the room, ceilings and leak proof room. That means no leakage will be there. In AC machine's room, no leakage will be there, or minimize the leakage will be there. Accordingly, room will no leakage will be there, and minimum leakage will accept it. But accordingly, we will arrange the roofing system. That means total area of the room will be reduced, and choose the AC accordingly. That is 1 ton, 1.5 ton, 2 ton capacity with energy saving machine. So if it is required 1 ton, they will fit the 1 ton capacity machine. Unnecessary, do not use 1.5 ton or 2 ton capacity. So as per need, we will select the machines with energy saving, that means 3-star or 5-star machines, and in this way we can save the energy in household or in office building or institutions, everywhere, by controlling that from top, that is by controlling the put of the lamp, fan, unnecessary use of machines, electrical appliances, and by selecting the AC machine and constructing the room as per our need. In this way, we can save the energy. Misuse of energy can be saved. I can say one thing is that misuse of energy to be controlled. If it is controlled. Now, I've given one example that generally I've seen in the quarter of the industrial quarter, in daytime also their light is on in on conditions, in courtyard, in room also, and without necessarily fan is operated, AC machine operated, nobody is there in the room, because misuse of energy, because they have not to pay anything from their pocket. So total bill bearing by industry. Ultimately, what happens? The total energy cost will be increased and use of energy will increase. So increase of green gas effect in the environment. So as a whole, it is a total loss of energy, and we cannot control the green gas effect if we use in this way. So always think that industrial quarter also it is your own house. In this way you can control.